Hey, hello world. So my name is Rajbai. Today, in this video, I'm gonna talk about the Tor hidden services by posting on Tor network. So let's start. First, we need to create a directory for hosting web page. So we're gonna create any directory. If you wanted to give any name, anything, if you like. So I give a Tor hidden services, so something like that. Tor hidden, so shortly. So we created a Tor hidden directory. Now we need to open that directory. We also want to create a web page on example for showing how that web browsing work. Now let's start. Tor hidden such a directory. Sorry. We need to create a file like index.html. Now we need to open that file. Nano index.html, create a HTML web page. I'm gonna write welcome to my website. Another paragraph. Tor make sure all tabs are closed out. Save this file, Ctrl S, and exit, Ctrl X. So we save that files. we need to create a Python local server for port forwarding this web page. Python 3 -m and http://server bind localhost IP address and 8080 port number. So enter. We need to check that so the web page running successfully in our background local server. We need to forwarding that into Tor network. We gonna open another terminal. cd etc/tor. So you can see tor.rc file. We need to edit that file. So we need to sudo give a super permission. Okay, now open that file. Nano tor.rc. You can see I already give a permissions. This configuration file I am already done. It's just look like that. Ash and yeah, some change we need to do this part. Yeah, just look like this. So the file we need to remove all hashes from this line and we already give a port number 8080. That same port number we need to use here. This section will be confused, but we need to understand this step. So this line you can see tor header services directory var libslows / my header services and tor ports header port number 80, the 8080. We can see the same number. We already created a Python local server. The same port local IP addresses and port number we need to give the same here. Save this file. Exit. So we need to check. So confirm that. Okay, we done that section. We need to we configuration completed in the tor.rc file. We need to open another directory, cd var lib and tor. So we can see the my header services name directory, cd my header services. So we can see the here host name also give public HSS keys and secret key, client authorized clients. More details we get. Cat host name. So we can they created a Tor header services onion address. So we need to run our Tor here. Copy this onion address. Okay, we copy that. I'm gonna open Tor browser. Just wait. So we need to enter that type here. Shit. Paste here. You can see that this onion site speed is connected. We need to run. I forgot to run Tor, so we need to run Tor. Just end Tor. So Tor is running successfully. Just wait, the relays are loading. %. This means we need to stable this connection. We need to run the Tor on our terminal. So we do not run Tor on our terminal. It is not online. I mean, this connection will not online. So we need to run Tor also on the services. So yes, and try again. You can see my website on Tor header service, Tor network. You can see the different relays. So this is a method of web posting on Tor header services. We need to run Tor and we get a private onion address. This is only way to enter that website. Yeah, I think something you learned this video. Thanks for watching. Sorry for my bad English, I just keep learning. So yeah, thank you for watching.